Go to the official Python website. Now click on Windows Installer link, let it downloading. After finished downloading, open downloaded folder, right-click on the Python installer and select Run as administrator. Now check Add Python 3.9 to path, let it installing. After finish installing, open CMD and type Python and press enter. It will show Python version. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.